What's up guys, and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have this really neat product. The company Comica sent me the CVM-WM 200. It's a professional wireless microphone with 96 channels. Let's get it out the box. But first, let's go over the main features. The CVM-WM 200 works for XLR camcorders, for DSLR cameras, and for smartphones. It has 96 channels used for multiple devices working together. It has a working distance up to 120 meters, an open area up to 80 meters in barrier area. It has low cut filtering mode, auto scanning for quick channel selection, 16 levels of volume adjustment, low consumption and super long standby time, an LCD display with high resolution, and full metal manufacturing. The receiver takes 2 AA batteries and the microphone takes 2 AA batteries. All right, now let's take it out the box. Already I'm loving this case. It is very durable. I appreciate this case is secure and durable because this equipment right here is not cheap. It's around $300. It'll keep my equipment protected. And while opening the box, I love the presentation. I love how your equipment is surrounded by foam. It's very soft material and each piece of equipment has its own section. All right, first up is the warranty card. Next is the user manual. It's not a thin sheet of paper, it's a pretty thick book. Next is your 3.5mm XLR audio output cable. Next is your 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio output cable. These are your camera cold shoe mounts. It also comes with a belt clip. The receiver. On the front of the receiver, you have your on-off switch, your LCD screen, your set function menu, your function selection button, and another function selection button. On the side, you have your A and B group selection switch and your battery tray. On the back, you have your cold shoe mounting hole and your belt clip connecting holes. And on the top of the receiver, you have your 3.5mm audio output socket and your 3.5mm monitoring socket, plus your dual antennas. All right, this is the handheld microphone. On the front of the microphone, you have your LCD display, your on-off muting button, your IR screen. Take a good look at it all around. This microphone will be great for interviews, giving speeches, or even singing on stage. Don't worry, I'm not gonna sing for you. All right, that was the unboxing and a quick look at the microphone. Now here are some samples of how the microphones sound. Enjoy the clips, and please let us know down below what you think of the sound quality.
All right, guys, this is the interior of the brand new 2022 Toyota Lexus. This is a very, very nice car. Have a look around you right here. This is all premium material. This is actual rhino skin right here. They put rhino skin inside of the new Toyota Lexus. You have an iPad inside your dash right here. It comes with an iPad Classic pre-installed right there with a high resolution screen. This car has a V12 in it, 0 to 60 in about 2.5 seconds. You have this. All right, so what we have right here is the this is a used car actually. This is a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro Transformers edition right here. Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I like this car. It's not that fast. It's like 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. This is the Transformers SS edition.
All right, so in conclusion, guys, I had a lot of fun testing out this product. It's a really good product. I have tested out other Comica products. I really like this company. They have great products out there. If you're in the market for new camera equipment, this company is a great start. I did come across a small problem, but when I reached out to them, they were very helpful. I am impressed with the build quality. It looks great. I love that it comes with pretty much everything you need except for batteries. Batteries are not included. I would highly recommend this product for anyone who's getting started in video production. Give it a shot. Comica has good products out there for you, and this is one of them, the Comica CVM-WM 200. I will put an Amazon link down below for you if you are interested. If you are not subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button. Comment, like, and share this video. We appreciate your feedback. Take care. I'll see you guys in our next video, and thanks for watching.